Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to follow someone on Mico. So let's get started. Begin by launching Mico application. Make sure you are logging to your Mico account. Now tap on the search icon. Then search for the person that you'd like to follow. Now tap on the follow button which is right next to the person that you'd like to follow. And this is how you can follow someone on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.